Is flat Earth slowly dying? I will have a closer look on that subject today. Today I will look at several YouTube channels from flat earthers and check how they have done the last month regarding new subscribers, views and so on. The first channel is Flatzoid, or Creality as he call it nowadays. The last month he have lost 50 subscribers and have had 42,000 views. And then we have Mark Sargent. He haven't lost any subscribers and he haven't gained any subscribers the last 30 days and 60,000 views. And then we have David Weiss. The same as with Mark, no new subscribers and he haven't lost any subscribers and he have had 135,000 views on his videos. And then we have Nathan Oakley. He have lost 100 subscribers the last 30 days and he have had 40,000 views on his videos and lives. And the last one, Which It Gets It. He have lost 200 subscribers the last month and have had 43,000 views on his videos and lives. Let's compare with some Globers. FDFE have lost 100 subscribers and have had 94,000 views. And Creaky haven't lost or gained any subscribers and he have had 491,000 views. And Simon Dan, 2,000 new subscribers and 6.7 million views the last 30 days. And then we have my small channel, 20 new subscribers and 2,000 views the last 30 days. If you start comparing the flat earth channels, no one have gained more followers and the one in percent who have lost most is Flatzoid. But if you look at views per sub, the winner is Flatzoid, 8.4 views per sub, and the worst one is Mark Sargent with 0.6 views per sub. And if we look at the globe side, one channel have lost subscribers and it's FDFE who have lost 0.2%. The ones who have gained more followers is Simon Dan and me. I'm the winner with 1.3%. If we look at views per sub, the winner is Simon Dan with 10.7 views per sub, and close behind him is Flatzoid with 8.4. The rest of the flat earth channels are smaller than all globe pages except me. And that's not a surprising result because I have not published so much videos. I have been this year I haven't publish so much content, so it's not so strange that I don't have a lot of views. I have chosen flat earthers and globers, mainly those who tries to make a living of their YouTube channels. The exceptions is me and I believe Flatzoid. Flatzoid, Creaky and Simon Dan is nowadays not only doing flat earth content, but if you look at the FTFE, me, Mark Sargent, David Wise, Nathan and Ritsit, we are almost only into flat earth. So the question is flat earth content losing interest both by flat earthers and those who are enjoying looking at channels viewing stupidity from flat earthers? I'm very well aware that this is in no way a scientific study, but I feel that the trend is going to flat earth is slowly dying. Several prominent flat earthers have left flat earth. If you look at big channels like Mark Sargent's, David Wise, they have few views, they don't gain any subscribers. Nathan is working hard to be a flat earth guru, the same with Witsit, both of them losing subscribers, and they don't have so many views per month and per sub. A strange one is Flatzoid, who have lost subscriber but have quite a good numbers if you look at the views per sub. This was a simple study. I thought it was interesting to have a look at it. I don't know how much you can draw a conclusion from it, but it was interesting. So this was a shorter one. I will be back soon. Hope you liked it. We'll be back soon. Bye.